has taken on BJP over the issue of non-clearance of salary of Delhi's civic body employees. Aam Aadmi Party claims that the salary of municipal body employees has not been disbursed for over 2 months now. Civic body in Delhi is headed by the BJP, and Aam Aadmi Party has highlighted that long delay in disbursal of salary impacts Safai Karmcharis, teachers, nurses and doctors employed by the civic body. Now they have demanded immediate release of salary ahead of festivities to ensure that common man is not impacted by this. In fact, I'm now being joined by Ayushman Kumar, who is tracking this big story for us closely. So Ayushman, we are in the middle of a festive season. Diwali is just a few days away and a large number of civic staff in Delhi haven't received their salaries. And while this is a very challenging situation for the protesting staff, of course, it can also become a very, very troublesome thing for the people living in Delhi. What if it starts impacting the daily chores like garbage collection, etc.? What will happen then? Right, we'll try and reconnect to Ayushman there, but as we were telling our viewers that Aam Aadmi Party has taken the cause of non-clearance of salary of Delhi civic body employees and has targeted BJP because BJP is the party which is ruling the Delhi civic body currently. And remember, AAP is now claiming that the salary of municipal body employees has not been disbursed for over 2 months now. Ayushman Kumar is back with us to give more details. So Ayushman, first of all, please help us and explain our viewers what exactly is the magnitude of problem that we are looking at.
Well, Gauri, we are at North Municipal Corporation's office. This is the place where the protest is on. These are the teachers who have been sitting here against the not disbursal of salaries for past 2 months. These are the teachers and also the government the MCD employees who haven't been paid. Currently, the Aam Aadmi Party is also conducting a protest over here. They are saying that this is a Diwali, it's a festival season, and all those people who have been not paid should be given their salaries at the earliest too. We also spoke to the officials of MCD who clearly said that there are nearly 80,000 employees who are to get these salaries, and that includes 55,000 of the regular employees and 25,000 of the pensioners. Now, there are many people, Gauri, sitting over here. We want to understand how do they manage without these salaries because this has been 2 months. They haven't received their salaries. One of the employees here, she's a gardener. We'll talk to her.
Right, we'll try and reconnect to Ayushman there, but Ayushman was speaking to a lot of protesters who are right now staging protest against non-disposal of salaries. And remember, these civic staff actually claim that they have not been paid salaries and dues for months now, and they are also demanding dues of all the retired employees as well. And remember, last year also we saw how this civic staff actually went on a strike, and this entire city of Delhi was left stinking with garbage strewn all over the roads of Delhi. And now Delhiites are actually concerned that similar situation can arise again if this particular issue is not addressed timely. Remember, this particular issue of non-payment of salaries when it comes to civic staff is an old issue, has been going on since years now, but state after state, governments after governments, this particular issue has been stayed unresolved. And because of this, again, we are seeing that the civic staff in Delhi is up in arms and is protesting and is demanding salary disbursal. In fact, Aam Aadmi Party is actually leading the charge here on behalf of Delhi's civic body employees. In fact, Ayushman is back with us from the protest site. Ayushman, over to you.
So, Gauri, we were here. We were talking to one of the gardener who has not received her salary for past 2 months. Madam, ये बताइए, जब सैलरी 2 महीने नहीं आती है, दिवाली का त्योहार है, कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
हम लोग ऐसे होता है कि ब्याज पे रुपया लेते हैं, फिर ब्याज पे रुपया लेके अपने घर को चलाएं, फिर उनको ब्याज पे ज़्यादा देना पड़ता है हम लोग को। और ऐसे में हम लोग के घर में एकदम टूटी फूटी हो जाती है, क्योंकि बच्चे जब सही से समय पे कुछ पाएंगे नहीं तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे। ये तो कच्चे नौकरी पे देते हैं वेतन, और हम लोग किस तरह से रहते हैं, किस तरह से नहीं। हाँ, कोई स्थान नहीं है। क्या उम्र इतनी बीत जाए तो भी नौकरी पक्की किया जाए तो क्या है, कोई स्थान नहीं है।
तो अभी ये लगातार होता है या पहले से होता रहा है?
पहले भी होता था, पहले हुआ था, पहले भी होता था, फिर अब ये बीच में फिर रुक गई नौकरी, फिर सैलरी रोक दिया गया। तो क्या है, हमेशा यही तरह होता रहेगा? हम लोग कोई स्थान नहीं है।
आप बता सकते हैं अगर जिस तरीके से सैलरी रोक दी जाती है लगातार, दिवाली का सीजन है, घर में प्लान करते हैं खर्चों को, लेकिन ब्याज पर आप लोगों को पैसे लेकर काम चलाना पड़ता है, कितना मुश्किल होता है अभी का समय ये?
कर्ज लेके और खर्चे चला रहे सर घर के, और पैसे कर्ज भी इन भी मना कर देते कर्जदार लोग भी कि भाई इतना कहाँ तक दे, टाइम पे तुम देते नहीं हो, लोन की किस्तें टूटी हुई है, बच्चों की ट्यूशन फीस है, घर का किराया है, बहुत सारे खर्चे है, त्योहार का टाइम है, कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे सैलरी के बिना। 4-5 साल से ना बोनस मिला है, ना एरिया है, ना 7th पे कमीशन का एरिया है, ना MSCP के एरिया है, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है।
बेसिक जो जैसे अगर घर में किसी की तबीयत खराब होती है फिर कैसे मैनेज करते हैं?
मैनेज कैसे करते हैं सर, अच्छी सुविधा में दिखा नहीं पाते, ऐसे ही दवाई गोलियों के सहारे चल रहे, अच्छे डॉक्टर को नहीं दिखा पाते, ना जांच उनके टेस्ट करवा पाते, बच्चे मेरी बेटी बीमार है, अब मैं ढंग से ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करवा पा रहा पैसे के अभाव में।
पैसे नहीं, इसलिए इलाज भी नहीं करवा पा रहे। सर जो स्थिति अभी है, क्या अश्योरेंस दिया जा रहा है MCD की तरफ से, क्या कहा जा रहा है, सैलरी कब तक आएगी?
इनका कोई एश्योरेंस नहीं है, इनका केवल ये हमें धप्पल लेते हैं। DA के तौर पे भी जो मेयर साहब ने घोषणा की है, लिखित में कुछ नहीं दिया अभी तक, जैसा कि अभी भी पता चला है हमें कि अभी तक कोई भी ऑर्डर जारी नहीं किया। इसका मतलब सब कुछ हवा में है। रही बात प्रॉब्लम की, प्रॉब्लम इतनी ज़्यादा है कि हम पिछले 8 सालों से केवल सैलरी के लिए धरना दे रहे हैं, और बाकी चीज़ें एरियर वगैरह तो बहुत दूर की बात है। बोनस बंद कर दिए गए हम लोगों के, हम लोगों को विभिन्न तरीके से परेशान किया जा रहा है ताकि हम यहाँ धरना प्रदर्शन भी ना कर सके।
और आप टीचर हैं, आप सब टीचर हैं जी, तो इतने प्रेशर में पढ़ा पाते हैं आप लोग? किस तरीके से पढ़ाते हैं?
मैं वही आपको बता रहा हूँ, हम लोगों की ड्यूटियाँ एयरपोर्ट पे, ग्राउंड में, कोविड में, और उसके साथ साथ ऑनलाइन क्लासे, रात भर फोनों पे लगे रहते हैं, बच्चों के साथ लगे रहते हैं, ड्यूटी के टाइम भी उनके फोन आते रहते हैं। मैं अभी भी यहाँ आया हूँ, बैठा हूँ, बच्चों के फोन आ रहे हैं, सर कैसे होगा, कौन सी क्लास कैसे होगी, कैसे स्कूल लगेगी।
अभी दिवाली है, घर पर क्या बताया आपने, क्या बोला है?
घर पे यही बोल के आया हूँ, बेटा शायद आज कुछ होगा, सैलरी आएगी तो हम कुछ प्लान करेंगे। बच्चों ने प्लान किया पापा ये लाएंगे या वो लाएंगे, अभी तक यही बोल के आया हूँ कि अगर सैलरी मिलेगी तो ही कुछ होगा, वरना फिर बेटा जैसा है वैसा बैठो, क्या कर सकते हैं।
Oh, that is the pain, Gauri, you see here for all these teachers who are sitting here, and all those gardeners and the MCD employees who haven't received their salaries for past 2 months. The total number amounts to about 80,000 is what the MCD is currently saying. The Safai Karmcharis have been given their salary till September, but these people are still waiting for their salaries for last 2 months.
Right. In fact, as Ayushman, you were talking to one of the protesters and they were highlighting how they have been suffering since years now, even though they have not been paid since last 2 months specifically, be it Safai Karmcharis, doctors, nurses, gardeners, an array of civic body staff. We know this particular pending dues and financial crunch, the issue of it actually is not a new headache for Delhi civic body. But what is the corporation saying this time around? What is the bottleneck? What is the problem exactly, and why are they not able to pay their staff?
Well, Gauri, currently we have been told that very soon these people will be paid, but there is no timeline that is being given as to when they will be paid, because you see the number, the protesters who are here, they have started their protest today just because they haven't been given any assurance, and this is not just the first time. It has been repeating over past several years is what they are alleging. The North Municipal Corporation of Delhi says that they are in process to disburse these salaries. Unfortunately, it is not yielding result, and that is something which has forced these people to protest out here right in front of the building of the North Municipal Corporation of Delhi.
Right. Thank you, Ayushman, for sharing all those details and bringing us those voices from the protest site. In fact, Ayushman was just reporting how several civic staff employees actually are up in arms, have hit the street and actually protesting and demanding salaries. And they claim they have not been paid salaries since the last 2 months. It's the middle of festive season. Diwali is just few days away, and yet they have been rendered penniless. In fact, this particular issue has been going on since years now with no solution in sight whatsoever.